that. So when we get through, man, I'll give you my Instagram, my YouTube. But yeah, let's see. I don't even remember how many I put in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of them in there. All right. So the way we're gonna load it, right? Well, first of all, the way we hold it, you're gonna have your hand here, or you can have it some kind of combination of, of like this, right? You can come all the way back here, so it can keep going forward. Or if you put it in the front, it keeps you pull back. Hold this so you hold your pistol. Right? And when you're ready, you put your finger on the trigger. Okay? This is the safety. Right now, the safety is on. Right now, the safety is off. Okay? All right? This is the charging handle. You know how on the pistol you have to pull the slide back? This is how you do that on these. Right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the magazine in, and it's just kind of straight fit. You heard it click. This is, and then you should be able to tug on it and not come out. Then you'll charge the handle and let it go. All right, and now round should be loaded. Right, and again, safety is on. All right, and you can just pull it back a little bit and see. Yep, there's a round in there. But I ain't gonna do you no shorts. I'm gonna unload it and let you get the full fun out of it. All right. You have any questions before you start? All right, cool. And then, yeah, when you look down the red dot, you'll see it's got like a circle and like a little chevron. Yeah. This tip of the chevron is what you aim, is where you put it. All right? Yeah, there you go. I almost forgot about it myself. Yeah, just anywhere on the target, man. It's a pretty close-up target. You should be pretty cool. But yeah, and you can see right down the sights, right? All right. Other way. There you go. All right, yep. Pull that back. Hold on. Let it go. I don't know if you pulled it back far enough. And let it go. There you go. Yeah, now put it on your shoulder. Take that off until you're ready. Take your finger out the trigger until you're ready. Yeah, get it on your shoulder, get it comfortable. Find that red dot. You got the red dot on the target, and whenever you're ready, bro. And let's see, the chamber's open, yep. You can drop the mag by pressing that button right there. Yep, and it come right out. Yep, there you go. Put it back on safe. That's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is our 7.5 inch upper, right? 7.5 inch upper. You see it's significantly shorter than the current upper, all right? Should be something like that, all right? So, let's swap these out real quick. It's one of the reasons why AR-15s are so popular, and I just love these sights, man. I hope y'all catching that. Just push forward pop-up sights. Safety off. All right. There we go. Charging handle isn't ambi, but it's definitely upgraded. Malfunction on you? Drop that mag. Is it good? Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, that one damaged. Is the mag done? Okay. So yeah.
What's that last one?
That's ugly. We just gonna throw that out there.
Not too bad. It feels pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a little hot on the hand here, but that's not too bad.
Yeah, I mean that's the thing with those short hand guard. You know what I mean? There's nowhere for you to put your hand. That's one thing I don't really like about it.
I think the only thing that I would probably add is like that little, like the small angle.
Yep, like what's on the 10.5.
You have somewhere in your hand because you kind of want to come back here.
Right. And that's just a short barrel thing.
Yeah, you feel like hand to hand.
Yeah, that's yeah. I kind of like how you had it on the magwell. That wasn't so bad either.
This feels pretty good right here. Got a little bit of stop.
Right
up here.
Definitely no. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna shoot my finger off.
Yeah, my thumb. Even if you slip a little bit, that flash.
Right. Yeah, that flash can catch you. Yeah.
Good though.
You want to take a couple shots, bro?
No, you're good.
All
He's
right.
living his dream right now.
Okay.
That's good to know though, because I kind of feel that 300 black.
Yeah, hold on. I said you had your finger on it. All right. So I kind of, hold on. I'll show you real quick. I was kind of like
Splitting it?
like that, yeah. But you got to kind of figure out what's comfortable for you. I think you might have had it the way you liked it. Yeah, and then you can just pull back on it, yeah, from there. And pull it tight into your shoulder. Yeah.
That's hard.
But that 10.5, man, I think that's the perfect length. If you want it smaller, I say put a folder on the back end so that you can, fold it up and put it in the bag. Yeah. And then what about the reticle on that optic? The Chevron, the ACSS primary arms reticle. It's still illuminated, it's red. Okay. Oh yeah.
That's pretty nice.
I appreciate that. Tactical Life Firearms, my man. When you're ready, I can get you hooked up.